spirit of the African people. And I agree with my comrade and my leader, Usis Nomusa, you can never talk about impilo yakaMadlokovu without talking about inhlangano yakhe abeyithanda, but also the liberation struggle of this country. A time of great upheaval in our liberation history. This was when the communities suffered untold humiliation, when they were forcefully removed from their land of birth, just because they were Africans. So we need not to understand the writings about our history, but we must understand that how uMadlokovu had to live the life of a black person in this country of the time. So was that able to be transported to the arts and the work that he was able to command. Needless to say that Dr. Mbongeni Ngema's family was removed from Verulam because they were classified as blacks, and that township was then classified as an Indian community only, setting off a chain of events in the life which would find expression in artistic production of Ubaba Mbongeni Ngema. As a result of this grand plan of separate development, more than 6 decades later, long after the architects of apartheid have died, we are still grappling with the impact made by this on our society. And I do wish to also emphasize the point that was emphasized by my comrades here, that it is such ironic that sometimes in this country, some people want us to forget about the past. Some people don't want us to remember where we come from, because if we do not remember where we come from, we would not know where are we supposed to be going to. So Madlokovu's life was inspired by stories of heroism that were told in the rolling hills Zasentrati, where his forefathers came from. This is also a powerful reminder of what shaped the political consciousness and the outlook of Madlokovu. Dr. Ngema was also inspired by the heroic exploits of one of his more illustrious forebears, who fought bravely in the epic of Isandlwana battle. His great-grandfather, uSigcwele Ngema, of the indomitable Ingoba Makhosi regiment of King Cetshwayo, was among those who, in the face of death, shouted Esandlwana, "Uyadela wena osulapho." And bengitshela uMC wami la uHlomuka ukuthi mhlambe kuzobaleka ukuthi in the memory of uMadlokovu we relive as we go to Esandlwana ngomhla ka-27, sikwazi ukuthi celebrate uMadlokovu there, but also simkhumbuze nokuthi ubaba wakhe umkhulu wakhe uSigcwele Ngema nabanye bafela khona laphayana ibutho laseNgoba Makhosi elaka King Cetshwayo. These warriors did not cower the shadow of death, but they relished the opportunity to fight, to defend our land. And we heard Obab Chiko Twala here talking about how fearless Ubaba Mbongeni Ngema was. And as if he always preached that no retreat, no surrender. That was too mild a word for Ubaba Ngema. When we look